Hi, it's Matt from Octane. I hope you're well. Here we are with our latest walk around video and our latest addition to stock. I can only apologise for the weather today. It's absolutely pouring down, but we were so desperate to get this van photographed, videoed and shown off, simply because look how good it looks. It looks absolutely amazing. It's one of the best looking vans I've seen in a long while, this. Silver on silver with black grills and accents and black sidebars just to offset it. But my goodness, that looks absolutely amazing. There you go. I'm just going to shelter under here while I get into the detail and just show this off in a little bit more, if we can. So here we've got a very, very highly spec'd, very highly sought after Volkswagen Transporter 2-litre TDI T32 DSG. This is beautifully presented in Reflex Silver with twin captain's chairs to the front, which are heated. We've also got adaptive LED Bi-Xenon headlights, which you can see on the front there. And apologies, I'm not walking around, I'm sheltering under here for a moment. It's a tailgate van with privacy glass, LED rear lights, front and rear parking sensors, captain seats to drivers and passengers, as I say, which are heated, multifunction leather steering wheel, cruise control, automatic lights, rain sensors, front fogs. In and above and in addition to that, it's got brand new LV4 Mixed-Fitment load-bearing alloys, which are perfect for this, I think. We're just staggered at how good this looks. Absolutely beautiful. They're brand new with brand new tyres, literally out the box. We've got Sportline front spoiler and splitter. We've got rear spoiler, which I'll go around and have a look at. We've got Leighton van side trapezoids, sidebars. This van is carpeted and insulated to the rear and sides. We've got adjustable coilover suspension with all the equipment included to adjust the ride height on those, and we've got a Clifford alarm system as well. That's just to start with this. This is a very highly optioned van. This van was bought by a customer of ours from the VW main dealer, which was Citygate. It's still on the main dealer plates. It's had just 3 owners. As I say, we bought it off the third keeper, who bought it from main dealer Volkswagen and had owned it for 3 years, so majority of its life, I would say. It's got a full and matching main dealer service history with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 main dealer stamps. Last serviced at Citygate Volkswagen main dealer on an inspection service November 25 at 76,000. Full main dealer service history, guys. All the books, all the papers, all the keys. So not only does it look fantastic, not only has it got everything, it's got the service history and the provenance to match. Supplied with 4 keys, HPI clear, comes with a warranty through ourselves, which is national, and it's got some exciting features on the inside, which again were fitted and installed by the main dealer. So I'll get into the detail. How good does it look? Fabulous. So just moving on to the interior. As I say, we've got heated twin captains to the front, all with twin armrests. We've got an automatic DSG gearbox. There's the heated seats. We've got Bluetooth media streaming Volkswagen factory fitment head unit with DAB digital radio, heated front screen, leather steering wheel, cruise control, heated mirrors and electric windows. It's very, very clean inside. You can see from the headlining, all the armrests, the seats, really, really nice condition. This van's just done 77,000 miles with a full main dealer service history. That's just some water off my feet there over on the driver's side. All the stickers in all the right places. The kick plates down the side of the door, very, very nice. Wheels brand new, as you can see. Low down. Really, really nice. Look at those headlights. Look at the stance of this vehicle. It's just absolutely beautiful. It's everyone's been looking at this while I've been driving it today. It looks absolutely stunning. 4 main dealer keys, Clifford alarm, leather steering wheel, driver's seat there, as you can see. Good condition, really well presented, really well cared for. Again, all the marks in all the right places. That's just a little bit of moisture there, as I said before. Really presents really nice, this. Drives superbly well. As I say, full main dealer history from new. Serviced on time and in full. This van is turnkey and ready to go, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm just going to move into the back, but before I do, it is a Kombi, a factory Kombi. The seat is folded down at the moment, as you can see, to accommodate what we have in the rear of this vehicle, which is very interesting indeed. So I'll get into the detail in there just now. So just moving into the rear of the Transporter, where we have a huge feature of this vehicle, which was fitted and recommended and installed by the main dealer Citygate Volkswagen when our client bought this van from them 3 years ago, which absolutely met his requirements of travelling through Europe, the occasional fishing trip and overnight stays. So in the rear we have a slide pod, which are amazingly well built. These slide pods are a serious piece of kit in terms of what they offer, how they do it, and how robust they are. About £3,500 there, guys, in terms of extra in the rear of this, so not to be ignored. It's with the vehicle, and it was fitted by the main dealer, and it's hardly been used, if I'm honest. It's as fresh as it can be. So what we get with this, we've, as I say, it's a slide pod. We have integrated sink and gas hob, as you can see there. LED lighting to the rear of that. Water pump for hot and cold water. Storage, shower point, etc. under there. That then cascades down into a folding bed, which sits over the top of the rear Kombi seats, which are a 3-way seat, so they fold completely flat. This mattress sits on top, everything folds backwards towards the rear of the van, so you can put it back to a 5-seat vehicle as you're travelling around. This slides in and out into the rear. As I say, tailgate carpeted. To the rear we've got a TV plinth already installed. We've got speakers installed in the ceiling, in the roof lining there, as you can see, and 2 tweeter speakers to the front. So the kit here is just superb. Great condition, great feature, ready to go. Water tank and gas sit firmly behind this, integrated into the rear. This is a great solution and something we'll be looking at in the future. We've been mightily impressed with this setup, and we think it's a great feature, and it's included, it's there. This van is turnkey and ready to go, full service history, ready to go for the summer. We have showrooms in Rochdale, North Manchester, indoor, so you can come and take a look at this vehicle at your leisure. Give us a call, we'd love to show you around it. Too much to list on this one, guys. I've tried to condense the video down, but it's just the way this thing looks, the way it drives, the history, the provenance, the features and the benefits of it. It just goes on and on and on. What a great proposition this is. We'd love to show you around it. We're live on our website later today. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.